Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome to Little Scientist with another amazing educational activity. This is basically significance of period number and group number. So by using period number and group number, what information can we find out? Today we are going to do this activity. So students learning outcome of this activity are you will be able to find out the following by using group number and period number of an atom. Number 1, total number of shells. Secondly, valence shell electrons. Thirdly, electronic configuration. And last, atomic number of the atom. So let us do the activity. Before moving to the activity, recall from the previous lecture that what does the period number and group number tell us. Yes, you are right. The period number tell us total number of shells and the group number tell us the number of electrons in the outermost shell. So now we will start our activity. Today's activity is that we have to calculate the total number of shells, valence shell electron, electronic configuration and atomic number of an atom whose group number is 6 and period number is 3 in the periodic table. So start the activity. Total number of shells equals to 3 because the period number of the atom is 3 and valence shell electron is equals to 6 because the group number of the atom is 6. Here you can see that the group number is 6 and the period number is 3. So we have written total number of shells equals to 3 and valence shell electron is equals to 6. Now first of all we will simply draw 3 shells. So here it is. We have drawn 3 shells. Now start filling electrons in these 3 shells. As you know that the first shell carry maximum of 2 electrons and the second shell carries maximum 8 electrons. So we will draw 2 electrons in the first shell and 8 electrons in the second shell. Now what about the third shell? Third shell is the valence shell. Valence shell is basically the outermost shell. So in the valence shell the number of electron is 6 that we have calculated already by using the group number. So we will draw the third shell and we will draw 6 electrons in it. Here it is. So you can see that there are 2 electrons in the first shell, 8 electrons in the second shell and 6 electrons in the third shell. And total number of shells are 3. Now solution of the activity is first of all we have calculated total number of shells. Total number of shells are 3. Secondly, number of electrons in the outermost shell. So number of electrons in the outermost shell are 6. You can see from the diagram given below. Next, we have calculated the electronic configuration. Electronic configuration tells us that there are 2 electrons in the first shell, 8 electrons in the second shell and 6 electrons in the third shell. So electronic configuration is 2, 8, 6. And last one is the atomic number. We can get the atomic number by adding all these electrons together. So if we add 2 plus 8 plus 6, it is 16. So atomic number of this atom is 16 and you can see in the periodic table that the atomic number of sulfur is 16. So this is sulfur. So by using group number and period number, we have calculated all these informations. Task activity for you is to calculate the total number of shells, valence shell electrons, electronic configuration and atomic number of an atom with group number equal to 7 and period number equal to 2. So solve this activity and send me the screenshot in the comments below. Thank you dear students. I hope you have enjoyed the video. For more such educational videos, please subscribe our channel.